again, grade 1-2, welcome to week 2 of art. What you'll need to do is find your shadow drawing from last week. If you didn't get a chance to do that, you'll need to do it today. And remember to choose a sunny day and you are tracing the lines of your shadow. So go and find that, and then we're going to start colouring. So get your colouring things together and then I'll meet you back here. Okay, so grade 1-2, now we are moving on to colouring our shadow drawing. So I'm going to give you two options. You can either colour this in warm colour tones or cool colour tones. So have a think about what those ones are. We've looked at them a little bit in class, but just a little hint, think about warm colours, like things that are warm. So for example, red, like a fire, that's warm. Yellow, like the sun, that's warm as well. Let's think about some cool colours. We've got blue, like water, that's cold. And we've got another cool colour like green, okay? And green is like grass, and when we walk on it, it's nice and cool on our feet. So I'm going to choose to do mine in cool colours today. So I'm going to start colouring in, and then I'll show you the finished product at the end. Okay, so I've started colouring mine. I've got a lot more to do. I'm using a combination of textures and pencils. I wanted to quickly talk to you about when you're colouring grade 1-2. So a lot of us, sometimes when we're colouring, we will colour like this. Okay, like that. Alright, it looks a little bit messy. What I want you to do with your picture is we are colouring in one direction, okay? So, see how I'm going up and down, up and down, up and down with my pencil. Okay, it looks a lot more neat, and you can come and just fix up those side bits. And that way you get a nice coverage rather than it be looking a little bit like you've scribbled. Okay, so try and practice that if you're using pencils. You can also use textures. I've gone around the edge of mine in textures, and there's some pencil as well. Okay, grade 1-2, now it's your turn to start colouring in your shadow drawing. This is my finished product. I wanted to share it with you. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I've used warm colours, and remember how we've spoken in class about purple. So purple can be a little bit of a warm colour but also a cool colour. So I've added some purpley pinks in here as well to make my picture pop. So I've used pencil and texture together, and I've taken my time to colour in my artwork, and this is my shadow drawing. I'll see you next week. Bye!